Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make some crispy potato fries. Yeah, this is how to make a delicious, perfect crispy potato fry. Okay, go on by peeling your potato. After peeling it, slice it in a smaller sizes. Then after slicing it, transfer it to your bowl. Add some hot water and also salt. Okay, then you stir it together and sieve it. Okay, after sieving it, go ahead and add very cold water. Okay, very chilled water. Okay, to cool it down. Okay, then after that, sieve it again and keep it dry. You can use your kitchen paper, you can use your kitchen towel to dry it. Make sure you remove the excess water from it, okay, before we start the reprocess. Go ahead and add your cornstarch. Okay, I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to achieve this. After adding it, stir all together. Make sure it's well combined. Okay, then bring another stuff, add your flour. After adding your flour, add your seasonings. Okay, I am using all-purpose seasonings, chicken seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, and paprika, and just a pinch of salt and aroma. Mix it all with your flour, stir it together, make sure it's all combined together. Okay, then add little salt. Okay, then you mix all together. After that, preheat your pot, add your oil, use oil of your choice to fry. Okay, then transfer all the mixed flour in your potato. Okay, after transferring it, stir all together. Make sure all combine very well. Please, it's necessary. Mixing is very necessary. If it's not well mixed, you're not gonna achieve the perfect result. Make sure all combine together before you start frying. Okay, now our oil is heated. Okay, then we'll go ahead and add 1 egg, just 1 egg. Then you stir all together. The egg will enable the flour and the cornstarch. It will enable everything to stick together. It will also make that crunchy stuff to be very obvious. Yes, then go ahead and fry in a low heat. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes. After frying it, when it's well fried, you see the color will change to golden color. You look at the color, see how attractive it is. Very crunchy. This is my children best way of enjoying potato. It comes out so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Bye.